Facebook, YouTube, Twit Nation, what down? Welcome back to the Autobot Show, the greatest show on earth, period. I am Troy, Fly Kids, we major, what's heat? Ain't a question, don't ask. Rise of the Autobots is done, it's out, you know what I'm talking about? Spaz out joining today is pretty fucking obvious, you know. For now, probably Bruce Leroy, respect my glow, niggas. And failure ain't an option, so I fail not to deliver with these joints. So no matter how late I am with them, they still can't fuck with me. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Yeah. But ask about me. Look. I'm finna talk to him though. Yeah. I'm a fly kid, and that's until I die. And I run this here. CHI. Hear my Big Sean voice? I do it, boy. I'ma be here, wow. You niggas get used to Troy. I'm on their ass now. Call it bump of the rear. I'm what's happening now. Rerun is definitely here. Screaming we majoring shit. Fuck what you reppin' my nig. I'm going down with the boat. Me and the captain is sick. So bust a move. Bernie Mac on you haters and split. Uh-oh. Hey Mikey, I'm about to conquer this bitch. Face you bullshitting. Pass the promethazine quick. Haters and women galore. Fighting for space on my dick. My mama told me I'm the best and I believed her. If you feeling different, kiss the bottom of my sneaker. My name ringing bells, Troy spitting ether. I'm on a nice streak like the head of Wiz Khalifa. You rappers suck ass, don't ask for a feature. And I don't smoke weed, never do a joint either. One man band, feel free to take a breather. I dominate the game like a modern day Caesar. I'm trying to get my cheese up. You can keep the Beamer. I'm trying to put my mama on the hill with her feet up. I'm 16 bars away from living that dream up. All I need is one mic, bad beats, and believers. Autobots up, they screaming loud from the bleachers. I set the bar high, you motherfuckers will never reach us. Harvey World, what am? Dick Smoke, I need ya. I move out the hood, but truth is I never leave ya. We in this bitch like an ovary, you know it's me. And I don't rap, this is sped up poetry. Minus the double X chromosome, this is floetry. For all the slow kids that didn't get it, it ain't a hoe in me. I did it on my own, so you would never hear you owing me. Unless it's TT, AJ, Sharnice, and Tezzy, they're gonna be placed upon the pedestal. The only thing that's over me, except for God the Queen, of course. Tammy, keep me focused, please. This light of mine, these haters will never eclipse it. I solemnly swear until I die to forever rip shit. I'm abnormal to a hater, I am gifted. Autobots up, I was born to be different.